Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into something I've been working on for already a few days, an autonomous trading bot for Kraken. No, this isn't just a simple RSE bot, it's a fully self-improving system using AI, historical data, and advanced risk management. By the end of this video, you'll see why this could be the future of algorithmic trading. Stick around because we are talking real code, real data, and real potential. Let's get started. First of all, what is a Kraken bot? First, what is this bot? It's a Python-based algorithm that trades euro pairs on Kraken, think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. It uses technical indicators like RSI, SMR, and momentum scoring to spot buy and sell signals. But here's a twist, it's not static. It learns from its own trades and improves itself autonomously. We are talking 24/7 optimization using AI agents powered by some different models. The bot runs on Raspberry Pi connected to Kraken API. It reconstructed positions from trade history, handles fees, and has built-in risk controls like stop losses, drawdown limits, and volatility adjustments. Right now, it's trading with about 20 euros in capital. You see, because of I'm running out of these 200 bucks, which I entered because he bought a lot of Solana. So yeah, but the real magic is in backtesting and in the improvement loop. And I'm also raising more money to it after the next improvements. So how does it trade? The bot uses a multi-edge signal engine, Mean-reversion for oversold conditions and trend following for continuous. For example, it buys when RSI drops below 30 and the market is in a bull regime. It sells at profit targets like 10% gains or via hard stops. Shorting is supported too with leverage caps. Risk management is key. The bot has mentioned FO3 protections. It switches to risk off mode in volatile periods, reduces position size, and pauses after losses. It's designed to survive to the crypto market's wild swings. So backtesting is crucial. Use over a year of Kraken historical data stored on a separate NAS drive to the Raspberry Pi, SIG level trades for accuracy. The bot simulates trades with real fees, so the included fees and slip page. Current baseline around 17% drawdown over the year, but with improvements we are pushing for better risk adjustments returned. This is where it's getting excited. The bot improves itself. It built an autonomous loop with AI sub-agents, as you can see here on the left side. 3 agents run in parallel. The book strategy agent pulls ideas from trading classics like Mastering the Trade by John Carter or Trading Price Action Trends by AI books. It implements setup like Bollinger Band breakouts or 1-2-3 reversals. Data pattern miner analyzes the data on the NAS directly. It finds pattern like buy ADA after 9 a.m. UTC crosses or sell BTC on high volatility spikes. It lowered the RSI threshold from 33 to 30 based on backtests. Risk metrics improver add advanced metrics like Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, and Kelly Criterion for positioning sizing. It enforces max drawdown limits and auto stops. The agent uses for now Grok, an advanced AI model, to generate code changes. They push to a dev branch. The system backtests again against main. If dev outperforms in both 30-day and 1-year backtesting simulations, merging happens automatically and the live bot restarts within the improvements. So it's all autonomous, no manual intervention, the loop running 24/7, testing new ideas against real data. So far, we have added RSI tweaks, Kelly sizing, and pattern mining. The goal, turn a baseline bot into a profitable day trader. So the current status and the results, where we are now. The bot has trades about 90 times within a win ratio around 39, but capital is low, so it's conservative. With more funds, it could execute more signals. The autonomous loop is active. We're implementing ASI improvements and risk metrics. Next merge could happen soon if the backtest shows gains. Potential with good strategies that could achieve 5 up to 10% annual returns over baseline. Day trading is risky, but data-driven AI makes it smarter. You're not gambling, we are engineering here, in my opinion. What's next? So what's next? More agents for multi-language models, external data integration, or Monte Carlo simulations. If you're into algorithm trading, this shows the power of AI and data. So if you're enjoying this, having feedback from me to improve this or want to work with me at this, you can contact me. I've also created a Discord server, which is in description. And the GitHub repository is also open for everyone, so you can have a look, give feedback, and you can also watch this bot working 24/7 in this live stream here, which is also on this channel. It's like a freshly channel and like an experiment. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you enjoy, please share it.